Okay, we're going to look at some more data again today. This is the same data that we used yesterday. Remember our chart where we looked at the kind of ball and we had different types of balls. Let's look at them again. Soccer balls, basketballs, softballs, and footballs. And over here in this column, it says how many were in the basket. So we know that from our chart that there were 8 soccer balls. We know that there are 11 basketballs. There are 16 softballs and 6 footballs. So we can use this data to help us solve problems. We know the PE teacher put all of the sports balls in a big basket, and here's what was in the basket. All of these different types of balls. Okay, so let's look at our data and see if we can solve this problem. The teacher took 8 softballs out of the basket. How many softballs were in the basket? Tell how you know. First of all, what information are we going to need on our chart? Let's look at what it's asking us. The teacher took 8 softballs out of the basket. What kind of ball are we talking about? That's right, we are looking at softballs. So let's look and see what we know about softballs from our chart. What do we know? That's right, we know that there were 16 softballs in the basket. If there were 16 in the basket to begin with, how can I represent that? I can draw them or I can use objects. I'm going to draw them today. How many were in the basket? That's right, there were 16. I'm just going to go ahead and represent them by drawing circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So these are all soft balls. I'm going to go ahead and label that. And I'm going to look and make sure that I have 16. Because I've put these in groups of 5, I can count them. 5, 10, 15, 16. So I know I have 16 softballs that were in the basket. What happened? That's right. The teacher took 8 softballs out of the basket. So she took them out. I'm going to represent that by drawing a mark on each softball that she took out. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The teacher took 8 softballs out. She took 8 softballs out. Okay, so if we started with 16 and we took 8 softballs out, how many were we left with? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There were 8 softballs still in the basket. 8 softballs still in the basket. Okay, so I know that if I had the 8 softballs that I took out, I know that there were 16 that I began with. I know that missing number is 8 that are still left in that basket. So I took 8 out. There were still 8 left because 8 and 8 is 16. Great job. Now, let's see if we can solve another one. Are you ready? This time the teacher took 10 softballs out of the basket. So if I had 16 softballs that I began with, let's draw those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. If I had 16 softballs, but the teacher took 10 out, let's take the 10 out that the teacher took. I know this is a group of 5 and this is a group of 5, so I'm going to take these out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many were left? That's right. I have a group of 5 and 1, so that is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now the teacher, they don't have 16 in there because the teacher took 10 of them out. So now they have 6 here instead of 16. So now I have 8 soccer balls, 11 basketballs, 6 softballs, and 6 footballs. How many balls are still in that basket? So let's see. If I have 8 soccer and 11 basketballs, and I'm going to represent them with a picture. Plus 11 basketballs and how many softballs? That's right, I only have 6 softballs and I have 6 footballs. Footballs are shaped a little differently, aren't they? So we're going to add these up. Let's add them. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What does the 8 represent? That's right, the 8 represents the soccer balls. So now let's represent the basketballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now let's represent the 6 softballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 6 footballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Let's add these together to see how many balls we still have in the basket. Because they took out 10 of the softballs, so I'm going to make some groups of 10. So I know 5 and 5 make 10, right? Let's make sure I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now let's make another group of 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's make another group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many groups of 10 do I have? 3 groups of 10. I'm going to go ahead and represent those with my rods. $10, $20, $30, $31. So all the balls that are still in the basket, there are 31 balls in the basket. And I know that because I added 8 and 11 and 6 and 6, and together I had 31. Great job today, boys and girls.